The teenager accused of shooting and killing 5 people in Raleigh's Hedingham mass shooting is one step closer to facing a jury.
Austin Thompson's legal team was in court today for what is called a status hearing. CBS 17's Dina Harley joining us live right now from the Wake County Justice Center. So, Dina, I understand that his team has been filing motions, just getting ready for the trial.
Yeah, his team filed 3 motions already so far this week, as we are now just under 2 months out from the criminal trial against Austin Thompson. And like you mentioned, Bill, it's a status hearing today. This is just a standard hearing for criminal attorneys to check in with each other ahead of a big trial to make sure everybody is still on track and prepared for that. Thompson, of course, is accused of killing 5 people and injuring 2 others in Raleigh's Hedingham mass shooting back in October of 2022. This week, his defense team filed 3 motions they say will help them pick a fair jury. First, they proposed a jury questionnaire that includes questions of whether a potential jury member has ever lived in the Hedingham neighborhood themselves or knows someone who has. They also filed a motion saying they want to individually question each potential jury member because of how high profile this case is. Today in court, Thompson's defense team said they will file even more motions before the February trial.
We do anticipate there being 1 motion to suppress that should be filed in the next week or so, a handful more motions in limine that I think might require some pretrial court time, and then obviously some more standard motions that the court can expect.
And in one of those motions they filed this week, Thompson's defense team talked about the sensitivity of the fact that he is facing life in prison without parole. He was 15 years old when the shooting happened, and so he's not eligible for the death penalty. But like I said, he is facing life in prison without parole. So that was also mentioned in one of those motions. Live in Raleigh, Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.
All right, Dina, thanks for the update.